Now, if you're brand new to fingerstyle ukulele, this is the first lesson that you should be watching, and a great lesson at that. It's going to get us into only using 2 fingers. Okay? Eventually, when we do fingerstyle, of course, we're going to want to do all our fingers, but we got to get started somewhere. So if you're a total beginner, this is a great place to start. We're just going to use our thumb and our index finger. And get this motion back and forth. All right, so we're going to start right here on the 3rd string for your thumb, and your index finger is going to be on the 2nd string, and you're just going to alternate thumb, index, thumb, index. All right, let me show it to you like this so you can see a little bit better. It's like this. Notice I don't have to do anything with my other hand, just with this hand. And it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you just want to get that real nice and balanced sound. All right, so do it with me. 4 and 1, 2. Nice and relaxed. Now we're doing it one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the next part is going to split these fingers up. Now your thumb is going to stay on the 3rd, but now your index is going to move to the 1st string, and you're going to bring in your other hand here and be on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and now it's going to go. So now again, thumb is on the 3rd string, now your index is on the 1st string, and you're just going to alternate back and forth. 4, and again, still nice and balanced. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, join me now and do this part with me. And 1 and. Just nice and slow, don't have to rush at all. And that's it. And then we're going to go back to the first part, then do that part again, and then the end is just going to be a pinch of the inner strings, meaning the 3rd and the 2nd string, and again with our thumb and our index finger. A pinch is just simply doing this, playing both notes at the same time. All right, do the whole thing with me. 3 and 4 and. Now again. Nice and even, nice and relaxed. Back to the middle strings. And now this song is taken right from our Beginning Fingerstyle Songbook Course over at ukuleletoPros.com. There's a full course that has all the lessons, and there's also a book that goes along with it as well. But this is a place to start. And don't worry about how fancy it is. You got to just get this going. And then I actually have another song which takes what we just learned, called October Rain, and makes this into a full song, again, just using your thumb and your index finger. But let me know in the comments below, how did you do on this? Just practice this. It will become more comfortable as you do it more and more, and then we'll start incorporating other fingers as well. If you want, this is the kind of stuff we do for our platinum members over at ukuleletoPros.com. Come join. We got a free 30-day trial. You get access to all the courses and all the live lessons that we do every single week. And then if you need anything, instrument, accessories, whatever you need, we do have an online store called terrycartermusicstore.com.